Want to speak real Thai from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ThaiPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Jay here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Thai questions. The question for this lesson is, how do I say the days of the week and their colors in Thai? Thailand is one of the few countries that has specific colors corresponding to the days of the week. Let's begin learning the days and their colors. First, the word day in Thai is one. We put this in front of each day. วันจันทร์ Monday วันอังคาร Tuesday วันพุธ Wednesday วันพฤหัสบดี Thursday วันศุกร์ Friday วันเสาร์ Saturday วันอาทิตย์ Sunday. Color in Thai is สี like the days of the week. We put this word in front of the color names when talking about them. And now, the colors of the days are วันจันทร์ Monday is represented by สีเหลือง yellow. วันอังคาร Tuesday is represented by สีชมพู pink. วันพุธ Wednesday is represented by สีเขียว or green. วันพฤหัสบดี Thursday is represented by สีส้ม orange. วันศุกร์ Friday is represented by สีฟ้า or light blue. วันเสาร์ Saturday is represented by สีม่วง purple. And วันอาทิตย์ Sunday is represented by สีแดง or red. Now, I know you have many questions. One might be, are the colors assigned randomly? The answer is no. Colors for the days of the week derive from Thai astrology. The color is based on the god who protects that particular day of the week. Pretty interesting, right? If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below. Bye! สวัสดีค่ะ